Welcome back for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, aka the Nice Cream King, coming to you live with this microgreen thing. You guys, I just wanted to hop on here. We're going to do a 10-part video series, okay? So this is video number 1 of a 10-part series talking about the benefits and the power of sprouting seeds and growing microgreens, okay? So let's get going with this one. This one's going to be a really fun series. And the whole concept and purpose is to get you guys inspired to be sprouting seeds and growing microgreens. And hopefully by the end of this 10-part series, you guys will be well versed and be able to get on your way. But first, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm a part of what is called the plant-based bundle. Okay, so it's different than the ultimate raw vegan bundle, which we just did. And the plant-based bundle is going on for just a short time, just a few days, I think like maybe 10 days. And there's going to be, in this bundle, there's over 100 ebooks, right? Over 100 ebooks for 50 bucks. So you cannot beat that deal. It is absolutely incredible. You're going to get, in that bundle, you're going to get my Nice Cream book, my Dude Food book, as well as my brand new book, Alive. You're going to get Lissa's burger book, her soup book, and her meal plan number 3, her volume number 3. Excellent deal. So you're getting all 6 of those books from us. Those are in the bundle, plus just a plethora of other things too, like workout programs, yoga, meditation, different meal plans, all vegan. It's plant-based bundle, so it's all vegan, but it's not all raw. So definitely check that out. That's going to be in the description down below of these videos, 10-part series. This is video number 1, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, so this first video is going to be about really like, what is a sprout? Some of you guys may be really well versed and be sprouting already, but some of you may be wondering like, what is a sprout? So really a sprout is just a seed that has gone through a germination process. So it's cracked the shell and you've got the little tail coming out and the little leaves coming out the other side, and it's starting its growth cycle. So that's all a sprout is. It's just germinating the seed, and then you eat those seeds after they've been germinated for like anywhere from 3 to 5 days, and you're ready to eat this food. So it's an incredible thing to be doing. Super, super simple and really fun. So that's all it is. A sprout is basically just taking a seed, and everything starts from a seed. I mean, of course, you know, like not these rocks necessarily, but everything starts from a seed. And so that seed has to be germinated. Now, what's incredible about sprouting is you can store seeds as long as you have good seeds and you're storing them properly. Say like a cool, dark place, they're nice and dry, maybe even vacuum sealed, they'll last for a really long time. I mean, years, really. Now, it's really important to be using seeds that are specific for sprouting. It really makes a huge difference. Your germination rate is going to be much larger using seeds that are designated for sprouting. But all a sprout is just germinating that seed, and that can be done in a few different ways, which we'll be getting into in some of the other videos. So this video here, we just covered what a sprout is. A sprout is just taking a seed and bringing it through the germination process. Boom, done, ready to eat. Super amazing fuel source, right? It's a good fuel source for us. Everybody should be sprouting. It's not hard at all. Hopefully you guys continue on with this video series, and we're going to get into the how-tos, the benefits of them, the different kind of seeds, some of the nutrient profiles of them. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that helps the algorithms, and this kind of stuff will, you know, help out my channel. It's been quite a while since I've put out a video, so welcome back, you know, to all the people who are tuning back in. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. I'm going to be releasing this 10-part series, 1 video every single day. So every single day you'll have a new video to watch throughout the duration of the plant-based bundle. So be sure to check out the plant-based bundle. It is a screaming deal, over 100 different digital products. I think it's like over $4,300 worth of value that you're getting for $50. And of course, it's a great way to support all the creators like myself, my wife Lissa, and like I said, you're getting 6 of our books in there. I mean, just those books alone, of course, are well over $100 put together. So it is a great deal. It's definitely going to be a something that I know that you guys will benefit from. Even if you're only using, say, a dozen books out of it, you're still getting a great deal. Some of the recipes in there are incredible. Like, we don't eat a lot of cooked food, but some of the cooked food recipes, oh my gosh, they look absolutely incredible. So anyways, you guys, thanks for tuning back in, and be sure to tune back in tomorrow for video number 2. And until tomorrow, guys, love you.